Next filter command we'll be seeing is the sort command. As the name implies, sort command is used to sort a file. Let's see with that with the help of an example. We have a file called sample01.txt. Here you have different names of different fruits, but it is not in a sorted order. So you can sort it by typing sort the file name sample01.txt. Here we can see that the sorted output is printed on the screen. It has sorted the output in the dictionary order. So by default sorts the content in dictionary order and outputs the contents onto the screen. We'll be seeing another example. We have another file data3.txt which has got certain numbers. So if you want to sort this, if you give sort space data3.txt, here we can see that the order is changed, but it is not in a sorted order, the order we expect. This is because by default sorts in dictionary order. So because of that, everything is considered as a character and it sorts in dictionary order. Because of that, after 1, 11 comes, and after that 2 comes, since it uses dictionary order for sorting. So there are certain options available for sort. So if you want to sort in numerical order, considering the contents as numbers, in that case you can use the option -n. So now you can see that the contents are in sorted order. Next filter command we'll be seeing is the uniq command. Uniq command filters out the adjacent duplicate lines and prints the unique lines considering the adjacent lines only. So we'll be seeing it with the help of an example. Here we have a file sample01.txt with names of some fruits. Here apple is repeated and it is adjacent. Here also apple is repeated. Here but mango is here and here. So if you type uniq space sample01.txt, here you can see that there is one apple only here, though we have two apple here. This is because they are adjacent and only one is printed. Here also there are two apples here, but when it is printed there is only one apple because it considers the adjacent lines and only one is printed. But we can see that two occurrences of apple are there. This is printed because it is not adjacent. Next we will be seeing the command tr transfer translate. It has got many options. For example, you can delete certain characters. So we will be seeing it with the help of an example. So we can give tr, then the by default what it does is it translates. So you need to give two set of characters as argument to tr, where the first character set is the source. So I'll be giving a, e, I, o, u vowels, and the second set is the destination. We can think of it as destination, a, e, I, o, u in capital letters. Here what I'll be trying to do is I'll be converting the vowels in small letters to vowels in capital letters. So you can give any set of characters you like. The two sets are separated by space. So if you by default tr expects the input to be from the standard input. So if you press enter and if you give hello, then if you press enter, then you can see that the vowels are translated to its capital letters. So how it is done? Here the two set means a is the first letter in the source and capital A is the first letter in the destination, which means that small a needs to be translated to capital A, small e translated to capital letter E, likewise. So if you give India, then it will be translated to India, where our vowels are in capital letters. You can say the tr to get the input from files also. So in that case you need to pipe the output of maybe cat to tr. So here if you want to translate the contents of sample 4.txt, where you need to translate the small letter vowels to capital letter vowels, you can give like this, which means that the contents of sample 4.txt is to be fed to the tr, where tr translate small letter vowels to capital letter vowels. So if you press enter, you can see that the vowels are in capital letters. There are some options for tr. We can see with the help of man tr. You can so what it does is tr translate or delete characters. So in the description it is written you can translate, skews and or delete characters. So the option for delete is -d. So delete characters in set1 do not translate, which means that we need to give set1 only. So we will see that in the same example, if we give tr -d a e i o u. Here we have given the option -d, which stands for delete, and we have given the set1 as a e i o u, which means that we need to delete this a e i o u from the source. Source is from sample4.txt. So I have given like this, and I can see that in the output contents there are no vowels. So since I have used the -d.